Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you what I'm gonna do if I had to start a social marketing agency from scratch. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alex. I own an e-commerce growth agency. Currently, we work with over 20 businesses and we provide services like Facebook ads, Google ads, and email marketing. I've had my agency for over 3 years now, and we have worked with over 100 brands. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you what I would do if I had to start my agency again. The first thing I would do is I would try to find a partner. Finding a partner in the beginning will definitely help you out because you're gonna be two people trying to reach out to clients, trying to sign deals, and you're gonna be able to 2x your current efforts. It's very important to find the right partner, someone who has the same vision, the same goals as you, because if you're on a different page and you want to take the business to two different places, it's not gonna work. I would highly recommend you to find someone that is close to you, that you can trust, and you'll be able to scale faster. In the beginning, you can both focus on bringing in new clients and signing new deals, and when you scale, one of you could potentially try to do just the sales side, just outreach, getting new clients in the door, and the other person could focus on building relationships, getting results for clients, and hiring people. The second thing I would do is not focus on a common service like Facebook ads. I would try to do something different because every agency on the planet does either Facebook ads, Google ads, or email marketing. For me, it's a lot easier now because I've had my agency for almost 4 years. I do have case studies, I have proven record, and I can combat the competitive market with my results. I also do get a lot of clients from referrals, which helps a lot. But if I had to start a new marketing agency, I would try to go with something like AI, organic content, influencer marketing, or video editing. Not that these services are not saturated, but again, everybody does Facebook ads, email marketing, and Google ads. The third thing I would do is focus 90% of my time into signing new clients and booking appointments. Especially in the beginning, when you don't have any clients, your focus should be on getting clients. When you're just starting out, you might think things like building a website, finding the perfect logo, the perfect color theme for your branding. It's so important, but it's not. You need to get clients, you need to get money coming into the business, and then you can worry about those things. And setting and closing appointments, it's one of the hardest things in the agency, and this is what is essentially going to help you grow your agency. So again, focus the majority of your time there. And last, I would hire only A players. In the beginning of my journey, I did this mistake of hiring people that are going to cost me cheaper on my end but not deliver the best results possible, and this cost me revenue, it costs good results for clients, and your churn rate goes really high. So you constantly need to bring in new clients. For the past 2 years, I would say, I have really good team. I haven't replaced anyone. Everyone is delivering exceptional results. And when I bring new business to my agency, we keep clients for at least a year, which is really good in the agency space. Most agencies keep clients from 2 to 3 months, and your communication and the results that you deliver are going to be the reason that your clients stay for longer. And last but not least, communication. Communication is really important, and you need to focus on it. Communication with clients and with your team members. Especially when results are not there where you want them to be, you need to be communicating with clients. You need to show them that you have a plan of action and that you know what you're doing. You also need to be giving reports on a weekly basis and hopping on calls at least once a month with every single client. Communication is what is going to allow you to build relationship with your clients and trust with them, and this will contribute for keeping them longer. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out get these videos out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.